Hello, I'm Richard with EV4U. And back in the 1990s, when my kids were small, I liked to do a lot of little projects with them and turn those into, a good time and a learning experience. And I recently came across these items and reminded me of one of those projects. And this was part of when I was teaching them about basic electricity, basic DC circuits, switches, electromagnets, relays, so forth. And so in learning about that, a great way to demonstrate what we'd learned was I built these little basically little telegraph out of just scraps we had laying around, and it was a fun little project with the kids. And so just using a switch and a light and a relay and a battery and some phone cable, we were able to build these telegraphs. So not only did they learn about these DC circuits and so forth, but they learned about telegraphs and Morse code, and it was just basically a 3-wire setup, and it had both the audio and visual component of what they learned. And so they could be 100 feet apart, not see one another, and yet communicate using Morse code and having both the audible and visual component that made it a lot of fun. So learning doesn't have to be expensive. It doesn't have to be difficult. You can make it simple and fun and something that they'll remember forever.